Somebody needs to pinch me because I cannot believe how gorgeous these cannas are. They are so beautiful and they look amazing outside of my living room. Oh my gosh, I feel like my tropical garden is back. I'm so excited. Look at them, they're all blowing in the wind. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. All of the hard work babysitting them in my house, starting them, it's worth it. Once you can get them going and get them outside, it all becomes worth it. All that effort, all of that time becomes so worth it. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful, they're stunning. Look at this, look. Now this obviously isn't final placement, but I'm gonna give them a good soaking. I have not watered them probably in about a week, so they are very dry. They're ready for a deep watering, and now that they're outside, I can definitely water them deeply. When they're inside, I do not water deeply at all because I don't want a mess everywhere, and then it also aids in like the gnats when you have just a pot soaking wet of soil. So let's go ahead and get these babies watered, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This has, like, seeing them outside has motivated me to just keep going. So yeah. So everything that is a seedling is outside. So let's just take a look. I mean, there's a lot going on here. Peppers, herbs, dahlias, everything. Like this stuff here, I'll leave up this greenhouse probably for another week maybe, but I mean, this is gonna come down. Everything's out. I'm so happy. We've got stuff over here, stuff back here, stuff behind the greenhouse right there. I've got stuff outside of that bed over there. This is all my clearance plants that I've gotten. I've got to get these guys planted so I can free up some space or move things around at least. Got seedlings here, plants here. so many things. Gorgeous cannas. Cannas over here. So everything is out. I have something else I want to bring out too. I need to go get it. And then up here, I've got my lemon tree out. I just got this lemon tree last spring. So it's a year with me. He's ready to be outside. I'm ready for him to be outside. So now that I've got all the plants outside that I'm going to be moving right now, it's time to do some chicken chores. I really need to clean the coop really bad, but I can't do it when they're in the nest boxes because I have to have it all opened up. So right now we'll just change out the feed. We'll just change out the feed, get the baby some food, and just do some little minor things that we can do right now, since the nest boxes are occupied.
Where's the food box? Where's the food box? Where's the food? Stay in there. Got her booty out. Yeah. Well, we'll just leave this for now so Margie doesn't go up there. Good girl. Get out of there. There you go, babies. Eat your footies. Good morning. Get in there, honey.
thank you guys so much for watching. I am done for today. It is starting to get really hot outside. I am sweating a little bit too much, so I'm gonna call it quits for now. But we got all of our seedlings out, we got our cannas out. I have not put the elephant ears out just yet. I got my lemon tree out, watered the cannas, fed the chickens. Did not get to clean out the chicken coop because they're in and out of it, you know, all morning long. And my best bet is to wait till the afternoon, evening, when everybody's pretty much done laying their egg and, you know, they're all out. Because if I close off their coop, somebody will lay an egg in the run. They always do. So I'll just wait. It's just easier to do that and less stressful for them if they don't have to lay their egg in the run. But yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.